So the first thing that I need to note for this project is that you will need to do this project in a well-ventilated area or with a respiratory mask. So the first step you're going to do is take your plastic bottle and remove any labels that are attached to it. Depending on your bottle, pinch your bottle down so that it is flat. This way you can cut a notch into it with your scissors, which will allow you to cut the sections of the bottle you don't need off. You're going to want to be using the middle section of your bottle. Cut through it to make it into one long piece of plastic before cutting it into sections. Make sure to remove any label glue from the bottle. This section unfortunately you can't use because it will melt. Then cut it off into sections that you will then use as rough estimates for the size of your beads. Using those sectioned off little pieces, cut into them to achieve the shape of bead that you want. Then you're going to take your heat gun and very carefully begin to heat your plastic. You're going to take a thumbtack or pin and you are going to use this to make the puncture hole for your bead to be able to be attached to various things. Be careful not to stab yourself in the hand. And there you have it, a bunch of plastic beads